Hi, 8th grade. I hope that you're doing really well. I wanted to just go over your lesson today with you in a video format. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me. So today we're going to be talking about a type of poetry known as lyric poetry. And you can see that my dogs have decided to join the video today. This is Luna, she's acting kind of scared.
Luna.
And then this is Freddie. But anyway, so what is lyric poetry? So these are poems that express feelings, but they don't necessarily tell stories. Those would be narratives. These are called lyrics, so they express feelings. And some characteristics about lyric poetry, they're normally short poems. Okay, and then also they imply, instead of clearly state, a single strong emotion. So imply means that you have to try to figure it out. It's not clearly stated within the text. Okay, and then another characteristic is that ancient Greeks recited poetry with a lyre. That's where we get that word lyric. And a lyre is similar to a harp, an instrument that makes beautiful music. So when they played the lyre, along with reciting the poetry, it helped to create an atmosphere that the poet was looking for. And then also we consider songs to be lyric poetry. Okay? All right, and then so let's talk about this as well. Tips for reading poetry. And these are in your book also, so you want to read through this after you look at this video. So the first one is, number one, be aware of punctuation. So commas and periods are really important in poetry. That tells you when the author is ending a thought, and you can take a breath as you're reading. And then number two, let the rhythm come through. So you don't want to force it. You want to read your poetry almost like you're having a conversation with a friend. Okay? And number three, look for figures of speech. So we have worked on identifying figures of speech all throughout middle school. And what I'm talking about here is similes, metaphors, personification, idiom, hyperbole, all of those many different literary elements which are found in writing. Okay, number four, find the subject and verb. So identify, what is this subject about? Or what is this poem about? I'm sorry, that's the subject. And then verb, what is the subject doing within the poem? And then also, figure out what the other words in the poem are used for. How are they used to modify the subject and the verb? We normally have a lot of descriptive language to help with that modification. Okay, number five, read it again. Especially if it's a short poem, it shouldn't be hard for you to read it again, and I would recommend reading it several times so that you really understand the true meaning of the poem. And number six, have fun. So poetry is actually meant for fun or for enjoyment, not meant to torment you. So really try to enjoy the poetry and have fun with it. Well, I hope that you're doing well, and make sure to check my PDF today for today's lesson, and then also tomorrow's lesson will be posted on there as well. I hope that you have a wonderful spring break. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.